Now in this last video I'm going to talk about these two items here, but I'm not going to go into depth about them. I'm only going to introduce them to show you a set of constructions that you need to be aware of that we will use later. First of all, you can create your own properties. That's kind of an interesting concept. It's a little bit deep for this class. But the reason I tell you that, and it's, by the way, it's in your book on page 111 through 114, where the author shows you how to do it. But he uses two interesting constructions. One's called a hash table and one's called a script block. And they look like this. We will use these later on in our course. So be aware of hash tables and script blocks. Again, I'm not going to go into how to use them at this point, but they are used in this process. Another interesting thing that you can do is you can make a clever use of parentheses in one command to output the expected object type. Now what in that world does that mean? Again, I'm not going to go into it in depth here. Look at pages 114 through 115 and then 115 through 120. And we are going to use, or the author is going to use the expand property parameter in order to convert a property to a string value. So again, kind of advanced stuff, and we will not cover them here. But please read through it in the text. I will not be teaching it. I will not be quizzing you on it. But I want you to be aware of this parameter and these two constructions because we will be using them for things later on.